The latest numbers from the Health Ministry coming in on COVID, the latest numbers suggest that over 78% new COVID cases are from 5 states, among which Maharashtra happens to be top of the list. 5 states contributing to 78% of the total cases in the country at the moment. Ayushman Kumar joining us with more input. So Ayushman, we have all along been saying that, there is a bunch of states which are contributing the highest numbers. It had almost gone up to 8 to 9, but now again, 5 states, it seems, are contributing 78% of the total cases. Which are these 5 states and what does this mean? The fact that these are the states which are contributing the most.
Well, Afrida, one aspect which has to be highlighted is the state of Kerala, after being there in the list of higher trajectory of cases, has been moved out of that place because the numbers have been contained in the state. But currently, there are 8 states as per the Union Health Ministry, and which are Maharashtra, Tamil Nadu, Punjab, Madhya Pradesh, Delhi also is there, Gujarat, Karnataka and Haryana. These are the states where the upswing in the number of cases are being witnessed. 5 states where the numbers continue to surge. Like we have seen in Delhi, the number is somewhere below 500, but it continues to be increasing with every passing day. Maharashtra, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu continue to report a surge in number of cases. And Maharashtra has reported the highest daily cases for about 16,620, about 63% of daily new cases. And if you see at the overall number of Frida, we go back to 3 months old record of about December 20, where India had reported more than 26,500 cases. And today, the number is matching up. So the slow surge that was seen only in Maharashtra and Kerala, though Kerala has managed to decrease the number of cases, Maharashtra continuously witnessing the spike. And along that, there are 7 other states where the number is increasing, and active cases currently have gone more than 1 lakh. Again, it is in sync with the number that was reported on January 11th. So the Health Ministry continues to maintain that states need to work upon the containment strategy so that the numbers can come down. But the worrying fact is that the case rise is back to what it was 3 months ago.
Absolutely. So 5 states are Maharashtra, Punjab, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu. These are the focus states, the crisis states. And overall, Ayushman is telling us 8 states are showing the upward trend. Let me also introduce Disha Shah joining us live as well. I'll go across to Disha, but first, let's put out the information coming out of Maharashtra. Like Ayushman also pointed out, the cases in Maharashtra are ranging at around 16,620 cases was the last reported tally in 24 hours. COVID is showing absolutely no signs of ebbing in the state with the kind of numbers that I just quoted, which is the highest single day tally this year. Fresh curbs will be imposed in the state, for which Maharashtra Chief Minister will be holding a meeting with the task force tomorrow. The government is mulling strict curbs similar to last year in the worst affected regions of the state. State COVID task force has recommended a few steps already, which include increasing vaccination, using of double mask in crowded areas, and increasing contact tracing. In fact, adding to this information, we are also now getting to know with regards to Mumbai that the situation is rather alarming, with as nearly 2,000 fresh cases coming in per day. Government is expected to impose additional restrictions on public movement, especially in places such as malls, and also certain curbs on the city's nightlife. Disha, coming to you on this. So, Mumbai, of course, Maharashtra, I beg your pardon, has topped that dubious list of the worst affected states. Mumbai continues to be a cause of concern, with the daily rise touching 2,000 almost. But yet you have experts from the task force who say that lockdown may not be the answer. Stricter enforcement, COVID-appropriate behavior, and perhaps to a certain extent also step up vaccination and contact tracing. At this moment, which are the major areas of concern, Disha, from the latest facts and figures that you have?
Well, Afrida, if you particularly talk about Maharashtra, the situation definitely continues to be alarming, because in the last 1 week or so, if we do the math here and the calculation, 95,000 positive cases have come forward, and this particular figure we saw 6 months ago in the state. So you can see that how the situation is becoming alarming, and the situation is similar like that of October and September 2020 respectively. And in Maharashtra, there are about 6 to 7 such districts which are equally worse affected. If you talk about Mumbai, the positivity case in the last 1 week has doubled from 5% to it's touching nearly 10%, and 10,000 cases have been recorded in the past 1 week alone.